Sometimes background images are nice to have if we are to beautify the table. Today, we'll learn how to add a background picture and print it out. First, head to the Page Layout tab. Click the Background button and select the desired images. Note, the inserted image, either too big or too small, is inappropriate. Here's a smart way for adjusting those undesired pictures, where the screenshot function is needed. Hold down the shortcut key Ctrl-Alt-X and select the area that contains the table. The screenshot size will be displayed in the upper left corner, providing a reference for the picture to be inserted. All you need to do is to adjust the background image to the size of the screenshot. Once inserting the adjusted image, we can click the Print Preview button, but the background image fails to display. That's where the camera can help, an old friend in our previous tutorial, remember? Select the cell area to be printed, click the Insert tab, click the Camera button, then come to Sheet 2 and use the camera to drag out the wanted area. Double-click the image to return to the original data in Sheet 1. Any modified content will reflect in Sheet 2. Finally, click the Print Preview button and you can see the background picture displayed in the print preview. Did you get it?